Since I was young, I was having a deep connection with animals. I was playing with them and see them always. Sometimes they are sick, they don't have voice to talk. So that's encouraged me to help them and to try to be their voice. So as I'm veterinarian here, I'm happy to work with them, helping them in the process of recovery, and also try to give them the chance of healing, because they are not able to talk, to tell you what's happening with them and what things they need to be having, so they can be okay and recover well from the sickness.
Well, first we have to understand that the patient who is coming here, what is the behavior of the patient, why he is so much scared or like stressful or too much aggressive. So for example, some patients are very fearful because of the environment, because of the people. They are new people for them, like they have never seen anything outside except their owner, their love of the owner. So some are defensive just to protect themselves, and some are a little bit aggressive also due to their nature. So what mostly I do, I give them time, give some space also, just to understand me. I should also understand them during that time, and after that I speak with them gently. I move with gentle moves, like I give them a quiet space also, so they should understand me. During that period, they gain a little trust, and after that, when we are going gently, with the gently move, with the love towards them, they start to understand that we are not going to hurt them, we are going to help them. And after this, they make a bond with us, like with love, empathy, and after that, it is very like lovable environment.